Yeah, nice to be here. Eywa is a cross-chain data and liquidity protocol. As you know, in DeFi, there are lots of problems, and one of them is that the projects have to have like 6 times the liquidity to go on 6 different blockchain networks. So we at Eywa solve this problem. Another problem is the decentralization or lack of it, where the last year there were 2 billion lost from the cross-chain breach hacks. So centralized breach presented a big risk for the entire ecosystem. And here I would like to talk about trends after the FTX collapse. The decentralized exchanges and transactions are taking the prevalence. There is a double-digit growth both in terms of users and transaction growth on the centralized exchanges, and the volume grows double digits month on month. So it's an upcoming trend. Our solution is that we let the projects to be listed and traded on all changes with only one pool of liquidity, meaning cutting the costs for the project 6 times, which is very good for the bear market. And we also introduced the decentralized data protocol. Market size is quite large. It's $112 billion across all bridge volume last year. So 18 million was like monthly fees generated by the bridges. So we attack only, if we take 10%, it's going to be 1.8 million per month. This is the heart of the solution. We integrate 6 largest EVM chains. We work directly with Curve. We have a partnership with Curve, and we are basically making creating the liquidity hub inside the Curve and inside our hub chain to minimize the transactions and increase the security for the assets. At the same time, becoming an AMM DEX for the cross-chain AMM DEX. We have a number of competitors, quite large ones. All of them are high TVL projects like Multichain, Synapse, Stargate, and Layer 0 and TorChain, where way more efficient than our competition, but also we have some unique features that our competition doesn't have. As I said, we let the projects to access all liquidity and user base among 6 largest blockchains with one single integration. And there are a number of advantages, which is isolated liquidity pool, so you can select not to be dependent on single stable coin, or you can select the stable coin that you are most like trusting to work with, but at the same time trades can go from any stable coin. Obviously we will be able to have any token to any token swap. The project can earn from their own liquidity, and we're also saving lots of costs, letting the project scale quickly, and there will be a universal liquid assets across all chains. The team is quite large, 33 professionals, 23 blockchain developers with quite large experience in the field, 6 grants, 3 winning hackathons, number of VCs backing us. The traction is quite large, 2 years of development completed, and a number of partners for a project. The roadmap is written up until the next year, and then there will be way more things to integrate for us. Now we have in the technical mainnet, so you can play with the product at app.eywa.fi, and we will be launching the commercial mainnet soon. At the moment, we're ongoing through the audit phase. So there are a number of token utilities, including staking. We will have our own infrastructure to secure the cross-chain transactions, including the governance, etc. Again, I would like to invite everyone to explore the cross-chain future. I think that we are the project that actually is building the one of the most decentralized and most efficient cross-chain protocols that exist.